There was a wild day in the skies. What about somebody who was sitting on Narrabeen Beach on the northern beaches of Sydney at about 2 o'clock this afternoon, and they would have noticed that a plane was flying rather low. So low, in fact, that it ended up landing on the beach. A very small plane that had a pilot, his partner and their baby left Bankstown in the beautiful sunshine in the middle of the day in Sydney before getting engine failure. And what a hero's effort to be able to land it safely, no injuries. Amazing stuff. Plenty of people have now got one heck of a story to tell.
We were asked to, and we were glad we could help. We were in the right place at the right time.
Now, also, there was a bizarre situation like that one that you just heard, which was a pilot who had fallen asleep for, how's this, 40 minutes while flying a plane from Cairns to Redcliffe, just north of Brisbane. And this was a Royal Flying Doctors Service. And as you can see, there's a straight line, and for about 40 minutes, there was some lack of oxygen issues, which meant that this plane was essentially flying somewhere near autopilot, ended up being woken up by the calls from the tower.
You've been off radio for quite a while, and you don't sound that great to us on the radio at the moment, so we'd really prefer if you were to land at the Gold Coast now, especially given your remaining fuel.
Thankfully, the pilot is okay. This all actually happened back in July of last year, but we got the full report about that today. But how's that? People landing planes on beaches and falling asleep due to a lack of oxygen in the air. Thankfully, everyone's safe, and it's stories to tell rather than tragedies to mourn.